Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna test my subwoofer. In video part 1, I already show you how to hook up your car subwoofer into your room. In this video, I will test my subwoofer. Hope you guys enjoy it. I want to test first song is Bass I Love You. Alright. This is amplifier for the subwoofer. Okay, I want to test next song.
It's never too late to change your love. So let's live your life. Don't let the breakers come. It's like you're on the other side. You'll see how we make
This is my favorite song. You can see at my setting on DVD, I put a super bass is on. Okay. Okay, last video for my test subwoofer. This also my favorite song. Last video I want to test it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to thumb ups. Thank you for watching.